For this experiment, all you will need is water, a plastic container, and some small toys. I began by letting my children fill up each of their individual containers with what I provided to them. As you can see, I used a mixture of beads and some frozen toys because I was going with the frozen theme here. However, you can use anything that fancies your child, be it toy cars, Arctic animals, dinosaurs, you name it. Next, pour water into the container. Adding salt is optional but recommended. It will help the process of the ice melting. Water freezes at 32 degrees or 0 Celsius. When you add salt, it lowers this freezing point. This process is known as freezing point depression.
It's working, Mama! It's working! Really walking on? Yes, we are. Mama, get some more. Give me some more. This walking. Oh my gosh, it's coming out. I smell over and over again. Yeah, bust out. Uh-oh, we need to smash them. Smash. Anna's coming out! Yeah! Here's some more salt. Now. It's walking into ice.
See magic trick? Look. Lynn, look at this magic trick.
Yeah, this is yeah.
Go like this.
Can we just